Good morning. Thanks for your company. Well, the Australian share market is set to see some selling today, with the futures suggesting our market will tumble about 90 points or 1.3% at the open, which could take us back to last Tuesday's levels at 6,777 points. And that's, of course, if you follow the futures. And that suggests we're likely to erase those fresh all-time highs. The RBA is likely to hold interest rates at the all-time record low of 0.75% after making 3 cuts already this year. And overnight, we learnt that manufacturing activity in the US surprisingly fell, which is why the stock market closed lower. According to that fresh ISM data, the PMI level dipped, or the price manufacturing index dipped to 48.1 when it was expected to rise to 49.4. And this is reason why the US stock market hit session lows after the data dropped quite literally. Adding fuel to the fire, of course, we learned that the US President Donald Trump tweeted that he would reimpose tariffs on steel and aluminium imports from Brazil and Argentina, also accusing those countries of currency devaluation. On Wall Street, we saw, nevertheless, BHP and Rio strengthen, while the broader indices all lost steam. The major indices, with the Dow down about 1%, the S&P 500 down about 0.9%, while the tech-heavy Nasdaq lost the most, 1.1%. Over in Europe, it was the same theme. Germans DAX lost 2.1%, and while the Euro Stock 600 shed 1.6%. In early local news, Santos dropped their 2019 production guidance to 74 to 76 million barrels of oil equivalent. However, in good news, they dropped their unit cost guidance for the year. But for 2025, production is expected to more than double 2018's output, which suggests Santos production will grow by about 8% through to 2025. Meantime, Treasury Wine has appointed Tony Korsanos, the former Aristocrat Chief Financial Officer, to join TWE's board. And a broker, Morgans, has cut Zip's price target to $3.74, which is under the price it closed at yesterday. And all eyes will be on the RBA interest rate monthly decision today, with rates expected to hold at 0.75%. And economists are expecting that rates will be cut to 0.5% in February. All eyes will also be on the import and export data out later today, with the current account expected to strengthen to a surplus of $6.3 billion in the third quarter. Gold has lost a bit of momentum. It's now $4.10 lower. The oil price is up 1.5%, and the iron ore price has strengthened. It's now 1.1% higher to $88.45. The Aussie dollar is trading at a weekly high of 68.2 US cents, really, as the US dollar has lost its strength. Thanks for your company. Have a great day.